Man, I've been waiting for Friday all week. I can't wait till tonight.
What's happening tonight?
Well, you know the Music and Lyric Lounge by Gifted Skills? They're having a free event tonight. Actually, here's a flyer. I've been carrying this around to tell everybody. Pretty cool.
All ages?
All ages, of course. It's people your age, my age. It doesn't matter how old you are, actually.
Oh, I please. 92 years old.
Yes, 92 years old. You can come. 92, too. It doesn't matter how old you are. And my mom likes it because it's gospel. I like it because everyone has their own skills and talents. We can just come and have a good time. Plus, me and my homies always be chilling there. It's fun. You should come.
Music and Lyrics Lounge tonight, baby. Don't miss it. Free event, all ages, located at Lucky 13, 5118 West Camelback Road, Glendale, Arizona. See you there.